I'm telling you, the panic setting. The resin vat leaked, and the top of my UV screen was absolutely covered in resin, all set. That's not it. There's even more on the floor. I didn't know what to do. I just straight away panicked, looked on YouTube, and some guy actually used a surgical knife, and I thought, well, I've not got anything sharp, and by what one of my friends did, he used a sharp knife and finished up scratching the screen, and then it wouldn't print. So I got a scraper, and that was all chewed up, so I was getting nowhere with that. So I finished up using a plastic gift card, and I was going round it and trying to find the easier places where it was weak, the resin, to lift up and take off. And trust me, there was some tough parts in the middle, but I thought, what have I got to lose? What have I got to lose? You know, the screen's had it, so if I make it any worse, that's just the way it is. So I did really start to apply some pressure on there, and I thought maybe I'll go through the screen, but the screen was really strong and I didn't go through, and as you can see, I got it all off, and I was using a damp cloth in between to wipe some of the pieces of resin away, so hopefully minimise any scratches that I've got. But as far as I can see, I need some kitchen towel because it's just smearer. As far as I can see, touch wood, 3 and 10 scratches. So I've just polished that up, and that was lucky. I won't recommend using anything sharp on the screen, full stop, you know, like a scraper blade or anything like that. One of the plastic ones, yes, if you've got a new one. But all I had was one of those plastic gift cards, and as you can see, it worked. Honestly, look at the resin, and some of it went down there, so I'm going to have to get a pair of tweezers to pop it out. I don't know if you can just see it at the front in there. Say very lucky, very lucky. So this is a part of the resin vat. I'm going to replace this film, but you can see from there the kind of mess that I was dealing with, not only inside the vat, but that had all leaked through, and on the actual UV screen there was a great big patch of it underneath this that had set. And yeah, don't panic. Take your time.